Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about self-join in Oracle database. So about the self-join, a table join itself is called the self-join. So at your working dot for Oracle and at your working on Scott schema. So first I'm going to show you about the table. So at your left side, select star from. So selecting DPT table. Now let's execute this query. So this is the record and column inside the DB table. Now here after, so let's write select star from and dpt. So at here, if you give at a t1, so t1 is the alias of dpt table. Now here after, let's write dpt and getting t2. So t2 is the alias of dpt. So at here, oh, I'm using dpt at two times, but alias are different. So if you execute this query, so see at here, one table records it's happening two times. So at here, this the dpt, and here this the dpt. So this the query to join table itself here. Now here after, if you know join, if you know, so see at here dpt number. So a table is the same, but at here dpt number it's a okay, but at here it's a creating new one because the column or name should be different. Yeah, so it's created dpt number underscore one. Here dnum one at here log one. So if you take some columns from this part and this part, so T1 and T2, by the help of T1 and T2, I'm going to select some columns. So at here, let's write, so at here, T1 dot. So T1 dot, at here, going to select DPT number. Now, from T2, so T2 is also alias of DPT. So from T2, I'm going to select dname. So see at here, it's the three option we have, or DPT number, dname, and log. So let's select dname. Now here after T1, so T1 dot. Now here after we have three different option. DPT number already selected, so I selected log this time. Now here after, so let's use prompt plus and here dpt table, and here creating the alias t1 and a dpt table creating the alias t2. Now if you execute this query, so see at here dpt number. So dpt number is the alias of t1 and dname is the alias of t2 and log is the alias of t1. So t1 and t2 is the alias of dpt table. Now here after, so if you load some record like dpt 10, 20 and 30, if you filter some record. So let's filter the record. I will display only dpt 20 records. So at here, let's use select statement, select star from. So dpt t1 and here dpt t2, and hereafter where clause where t2 dot dpt number equal to 10. I will display only 20 record. Okay. So from our T2 table, dpt number. So see at here in or T2. So T2, this the this is the first part, here second part. So in second part it's displaying 20 only. And here T1, so no any filter condition on T1, so that it's displaying 10, 20, 30, 40. So here you can filter the record also. So let's give at here T1. Now in the right side, so add your first table alias T1 and second T2. So at the left side, it's displaying only 2020. Now here after you can use T1 dot dpt and operator or T2 dot dpt number equal to 20. Now if you execute this query, So see at here it's a 20 because it's a displaying only. And hereafter with the self chain you can use inner chain, cross chain also. So at here select start from uh, let's write select start from DPT 1 and here after let's remove this part and here let's write jan inner jan and here DPT detail and here we have to use on clause P1 dot or DPT number equal to detail dot DPT number. So I will select a start from DPT and tune is the alias here inner join. Now let's execute this query. So see at here it's a record, it's a display. So this is the inner join. So inner join only returning matching records. So 10 10 match, 20 match, 30 match, 40 match. Now you can use full auto join, right auto join here also. Now let's write at a cross. So cross join on clause not required. So here after select a start from DPT, even cross join D2. Now let's execute. So see at it, this is the record, it's displaying total numbers of rows are 16. So this is about self-chan in Oracle database. So a table chan itself is called self-chan. And for self-chan, we need to create the table alias T1 and T2. After that, we can chan here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.